your eardrum to explode. Holding in a sneeze isn't just about manners. It's literally a ticking time bomb inside your head.
A sneeze travels with the force of a hurricane. When you block its exit, the pressure searches for the weakest point in your body to escape. Tap that like button if you care about your health.
This massive pressure can actually rupture your eardrum or cause internal bleeding. That's why you should subscribe to learn how to protect your body.
Sneezing is your body's way of cleaning itself, so just let it out. Let us know in the comments, what's the most awkward place you've ever had to hold a sneeze?
Because if you try to hold it back, you're literally making the moment it comes out.